apologizes for any inconvenience. We now go to a word from our sponsors.
Medical CTZ is not responsible for any problems, including but not limited to oils, brushing scabs, dogs attacking your balls, loss of testes,
Was it rumble pit or rumble trade?
itching, chafing, healthy malfunctions of the scrotum or penis, vibrating nuns, color loss, blackness, loss of hair, or loss of penis.
Adam, time for work, Adam. You know, if you don't get ready for work right now, you're gonna be late.
What's all the commotion about?
Are you tired of morning erections? Well, maybe you should try medical CTZ, so this doesn't happen. Try it now for free, or pay the penalty.
Right there!
Can't find the frying pan.
What the fuck is it? God damn it.
What's the matter, Sammy?
What are you doing, Tony?
What?
The hell's this?
What? Hey man, you want a beer?
Make sure this never happens to you. Try CTZ. Here's a word from our customers.
I used to pinch a tent every day. Thanks to medical CTZ, I don't have to clamp, tuck and zip anymore.
You know, sometimes in class, I would just get a giant erection. And I'd be sitting down, so I couldn't clamp, tuck, and zip. Then the teacher would ask me to go up to the board. I'd be afraid forever. But now, thanks to medical CTZ, I never have erections.
Mine used to pop up at the doctor's, at the swimming pool, and even when I was making presentations at work. But now, look at me. Look at me. Nothing. That's it, alright?
Before CTZ, my wife said I got erections too often. Now she's gone into depression.
I've been flaccid for 3 years. CTZ works for me.
You're on.
CTZ,
Say it.
I'm a certified doctor for CTZ Med Institute, and I believe that
Say the whole thing.
CTZ is a medically certified product, and I just, it's wrong.
CTZ is certified by all doctors in America. Buy this product now. Thank you.